everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food. And in this video I'm going to share with you all a very delicious and yummy bottle gourd recipe cooked with some yellow lentils. Now bottle gourd are very nutritious vegetables with high water content, making them ideal for people who want to control weight or looking forward for weight loss. So here I'm going to share with you all an authentic Odia preparation of the recipe with a little bit of concoction. So let's go and make the recipe, the bottle gourd and lentil curry or the Lau Dalma. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones, and I'll see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.